Hi, this is my introduction to Grammar for Writing 1, Chapter 4, which is on how we express the future time in English. The chapter covers four basic ways or four forms for expressing future in English, and it does suggest that, basically this form is very different from this, but I would say that these are two fairly equal forms. The big difference is, I'll talk about, is that we can use this second form to write about plans already made for the future. So let's just start with the most common form, will, plus the base form of a verb. Will go, will run, will see, will do, will talk, okay? And it's commonly used to make predictions about the future, to make promises, offers, and requests, or show willingness to do something. And then a very similar form is, in terms of meaning, is be going to plus verb. So I am going to eat dinner. I am going to be a rock star. That's a prediction, okay? So let me give you an example of if I'm writing about plans made for the future. I'm going to Paris next year, okay? Now you can use present progressive, or also known as the continuous, which is be plus the present participle of a verb. And remember, all present participles are the verb plus ing, like going, eating, running, swimming. So be plus the present participle. And we use this to write about plans made for the future as well. So they are going to Lake Tahoe this summer. We are going back to campus in spring. That's our plan anyway, okay? And then in this fourth form where we can express future, we use the simple present. And we can do this in a very limited fashion when these future actions are on a definite schedule, like a bus schedule, or a timetable, like a train or a plane. So let me give you an example. I fly to Amsterdam in the morning. She goes she goes on her business trip next week. We go to, let's see, on a timetable. We go to dinner on the 6 o'clock bus, okay? Something like that. All right, I hope that's clear.